How to remove background in Lensa. So you have got the perfect photo but the background just isn't working. Let's fix that in a seconds using the Lensa. First things first, open up your Lensa app and import the photo you want to edit, or you can just use the photos that you have imported earlier. Let's import a new one. For that, simply tap on this plus button which is right over here. Tap on it. Let's take a one photo right over here, maybe this one. Then will be loaded. Let's scroll down to the options, and here you can see an option for backdrop right over here. Let's tap on it, and inside the backdrop tool, the first option you will see is erase. Simply tap on it and it's erased. Pretty neat, right? For most photos it does amazing work, but if you need to clean with the easy, just use the brush to add the parts back or the eraser to remove any leftover bits. You can zoom in to get a really precise. So once you are happy with the result, you can either add a new background from the Lensa library. You can see a lot of background right over here. Just tap on it and it will be changed, and if you are happy with what it is, you can just leave it, and after you are happy with everything, simply tap on the save button which is in top right corner over here. Tap on it. And when you do this, make sure to save it on the PNG file to keep that transparency. And that's it. You now have a professional looking cutout ready for any project. What are you planning to create with this trick? Let me know in the comments below. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.